completed this project. Port Harcourt Road is ready. So the only thing that remains is the street light. The street light is not yet completed. Alright guys, like I said, Port Harcourt Road is ready. Port Harcourt Road is completed. So we are out here today at Port Harcourt Road, Abia State, to show you the full clip of this project. So we are actually going to start from the beginning to the end to show you the full clip of this Port Harcourt Road, so that you all can see how this place, how this project looks like. Alright guys, the place we are standing now is Orata. So from here we are going down to number 1. We are going down to number 1 of Port Harcourt Road. So I would like you to stay tuned on this video. Subscribe, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment below, tell us what you think about this project on the comments section. So from here we are going down to number 1 Port Harcourt Road. From there we are going to see a new project going on at Asa Road. So stay tuned on this video, make sure you watch to the end. So guys, if you watch closely, you will see that from this place we are standing to where we are going now, there is nothing like construction there, and there is a lot of vehicle and motorcycle passing by freely. So there is nothing like flood, nothing like pothole on this road. So this place is nice, you know, everywhere is looking sharp. So that's it. What we should expect now from this on this project is the street light. So the only thing we should expect is the street light, though they have started installing the street light, but it is not yet completed. So if you are following this video, you are going to see some of the street lights, and you are going to see where they stop for now. So this is the only thing that I actually know that this is the only thing that is not yet completed. And another thing is the drainage, like underground tunnel, they are not yet completed. The underground tunnel where all the flood we move in is not yet completed. So that's the only thing remaining here, but the road itself is completed, is ready for the motorists. So please, if you like what we share here, please, I would like you to subscribe, like, share, comment below, support us, please. We need your support. Subscription is not not money. The subscribing is to let YouTube notify you whenever we post our new videos. So that's what the subscribing means. Please subscribe. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for supporting my channel. So guys, let's go. Let's be going. Let's be watching, please. So as you are watching, as we are driving along the road, please make sure you watch, like you see where they stop. Okay, this is where they stop for the installation of the street light. This is the exactly where they stop. So from here we are going down to number 1 to see what is happening there, because it's like there is an installation of fountain water at the middle of the at the beginning of the road, like let's say roundabout. So let's go and see it, if they are yet, or if they have completed the projects there. So please don't go away, make sure you follow me. Thank you, and God bless you as you watch to the end.